to show you what these buttons are here. It's right inside the door. So you have a couple things. So we have some lights outside here, and these lights are going to be this light here, and then you also have some LED lights up top there. You can't really see them, but they're underneath the awning. And then so you also have overhead lights inside, and then also the porch lights. So to extend the awning, which is here, everything is labeled. You'll just hit extend, hold it down, and you'll see that it starts to extend. So you can push this out as far as you want to, it'll go, or if you have limited space, you can put it out just a little bit. So we're going to keep going because we have some room. Okay, so as far as we're going to go, and then to pull it back in, you just hit retract, which is just a toggle switch. You toggle down to retract. You just wait for it to retract fully, because if you are leaving, it needs to be wrapped up all the way. Also, if it's really windy outside, you may not want to have the awning out if you don't want to damage the awning.